Hi, my name is Laurethia Shree Alexander.
Hi, my name is Micah Peterson.
My name is Taryn Bishop.
I'm graduating from North Florida Community College.
A full-time NFCC student and a full-time mom.
I'm graduating from NFCC with my AA degree.
Oh, the SSS program is amazing. I wouldn't have made it as far as I have without the help of student support services. The people, the staff, everyone is so attentive. Everyone wants to help you regardless of whether they're your advisor or not.
Thank you for everybody in SSS and Chantrice. Chantrice has been a blessing. You know, she's always telling me things I can do and what, not to do and how ways of achievement.
They've been really supportive of me. If I needed any help with anything or if I had any questions about anything in particular, I could always go ask Miss Della Webb, who was my advisor. She was always really helpful to me, and she always helped me out with whatever I needed help with.
They have all this from SSS to wraparound to tutors they have their own programs within the program.
I remember the workshop that we had about perseverance and continuing long-term goals. And I take that with me, so I will continue to strive and take what they got and then install it in someone else.
Learned a lot of really good study skills, a lot of life skills as well that I think I can really take to wherever I go next.
I wouldn't be able to make it without them, and I thank them very much.